everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today we are going to be unboxing the January VBKit Beary in Love. So let's get started. Okay, so first up out of the kit envelope we have this Memo Pad, and it was designed by Paper Bear Co. We've got rose gold foiling, and it's not a sticky bag, this is just a regular tear and go pad. And next up we have a magnetic charm, and I believe this is only the second magnetic charm we've received in a VBKit since the Magical Plans one. So this is super adorable. I love this. Like, look at the frosting, it's got glitter in it. And these are really simple to use. You can put them on your TN covers, your planner covers, on dashboards. You just take the backing, put the front on, in between whatever material that you're wanting to hold it onto, and it's stuck on there. Next up we have a slim folder, and this is, I want to say, the second or third one. No, we've gotten at least two before, so probably the third one that we've gotten of these. This one has a cherry print with rose gold foiled hearts on it. And I do have a post already on the villabeauTIFFul website on how to set it up, different ways to carry it. These are sized to fit the weeks planner, so hobo weeks, preparation weeks, but they will fit in larger planners too. You get 2 pockets on the left, 2 pockets on the right, and then 1 pocket in the center with these little slots where you can add in different planner clips and things like that. And it's just a great way to carry your extra bits and pieces, your list pads, notes, sticky notes, all kinds of things that you can fit in here. You can slip it into your planners or just leave it as is, carried around in your purse or something. Next up we have this pack of clear bookmarks. You get 3, so we've got this one with a little flower box, a little heart with wings, and then the little bear, and they are all foiled with rose gold. You can use these as bookmarks in your planner, or I believe I've also seen people using them as pencil boards. So basically you stick them into your planner, and if this is the sheet that you're wanting to write on, you'll stick it in behind the sheet, and then you use it to write on. It just kind of helps keep it smooth for writing. And then they also have this little sticky sticky backing on here. You can remove it, so don't forget to peel those off when you're ready to use them. Next up we have this month's sheet of dainty stickers. They do have rose gold foiling on there. I think my favorites are the bows and the cupcakes with the heart rainbow coming in right after that. It's a very close tie on those. Those are adorable. And next up we have this month's sticker book. I mean, check out all of that pink and the rose gold foil. I love that combination. So this is the extra deco sheet, and this was designed by Paper Bear Co. Again, you can see all of her illustrations on there. I really like this little camera, and look at the chunky little VB bins. Okay, so for the regular sticker book, we have the full boxes. Try to get that foil shown on there. And then our icons. Some more full boxes, clipboards, full page of half boxes. Oh, that's pretty. These labels and headers. I love this color. The color scheme of this one, it's really pretty. And then a full page of the deco. Oh, that coffee mug's really cute. And we've got, oh yes, again, 2 date cover options, flags and tabs, and then some checklist flags and banners. And then the last page is the mini kit, and this is what I've been using to set up the monthly view in my B6 from Printpression. So it's been great having all these little stickers, pair it with some of the kit washi, and it looks really good. Speaking of kit washi, here are this month's 2 tapes. So we've got the standard size and the skinny size. I'm going to roll these out. Okay, so up first we have the skinny roll, and this one has a very faint striped background with the whites and lavenders and pinks, and then rose gold foiled hearts on it, and the tiny little bears all over it. And then the standard size roll has all of the different like Hawaii type illustrations. So we've got some clouds and hearts and pencils, strawberries and cake. All kinds of cute little details on there, and then it's got some foiled polka dots. Next up we have the Beary in Love kit pen. So I'm not really sure what this barrel color is called, but it is this beautiful shade of like lilac and pink mixed together. And then we've got the white logo, rose gold hardware, and then check out those sequins and the crystal mix. You've got the hearts, and it's mixed in with some pinks and purples, and it looks like kind of peachy toned crystals inside. This is perfect for Valentine's Day and, you know, just in general. And then, of course, with every kit, you also get a Crystal VB Pen ink refill. If you need more, though, you can grab those individually in the shop. Next up, we're going to take a look at the paper pack add-on. So let's go through the 4 sheets that you get of 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock first. We've got the cherries. Oh, cherries on both sides. So you get the dark and the light. And then the next sheet has this really cute heart pattern. And then, oh, that's pretty. And then we've got kind of the the brush strokes with the different designs on there. Then yeah, I always say it's not a Tiffany kit if it doesn't have some brush strokes and graphic lines on there. And then we've got another one with the brush strokes. This is really gorgeous. I love the glitter that's mixed in with that. And then this tiny brush stroke pattern. And then in addition to these 4 sheets of cardstock, you also get 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch vellum. So this one has the heart lollipops. And this one has, oh, cute little heart banners on there. So this is the additional paper pack. You don't have to get this. This is not included with the basic kit. It's only if you want to buy it, if you like to do different paper crafts and make your own dividers and dashboards and all kinds of things like that. And I saved the best for last, this beautiful surprise gift. It is a little planner cover meant for weeks planners. So that means print pressing weeks, hobo weeks, etc. So you get this really beautiful shade of pink for the interior with a black and white heart print on the inside. And then the outside has the brush strokes with the different pinks and dark pinks and lilacs and lavenders. Got the VB logo down here at the bottom. See if I can get it to fit on there. Then it comes with this string for the elastic. And you've got 4 strings in here for inserts. You've got a pocket up front. You can slip the back of your planner cover here, throw a VB pin in your little pin loop, and you're set to go. So I've seen a few people in the group asking how to string it, how to set it up. So I'm going to attempt to do this. We'll see how it goes. So I believe what I have seen, because I did look it up online, I wanted to try and make sure that I could do it correctly, is that you just poke the hardware piece through the center and pull it out the other side. And then once it's through there, close it back. Then you close your planner or your planner cover and wrap the string around, and it's simple as that. And then of course it just hangs there, and it shouldn't come out unless you push it back out. I mean, you saw it took me a second to get it through there like that, so it should be nice and sturdy in there. And then I wanted to try out my print pressing weeks in here. So I did have to take off the clear cover that is normally on here because it doesn't fit in other planners with that on. But I believe this is my first time using a cover like this with it. But I believe you would just slide it into this back section, I want to say. Okay, so I took it off screen to see if it'd be a little bit easier to fit in there if I wasn't reaching so far out to get it on camera, and it does go in. As you can see, it is a little ways in there. However, it is an extremely snug fit, so just be warned about that. Like, I don't want to shove it in there and make it fit. The Hobo Weeks may be a little bit different, where it slides in a lot easier. But yeah, that is going to be extremely tight if you have a print pressing weeks. But you can use this as a companion to this, where you can print out your different inserts and keep it with it together, and then just toss it in here. I mean, let's see. I may have been doing it wrong. It may go in like this, honestly. I don't know. I've never used this kind of cover with my print pressing weeks before. I just had the clear cover. Your slim folder fits in there, so you just take one of the folds and wrap it around an elastic. Slide that in there. You've got that going there really nicely. And then you have these 2 strings still left to add additional inserts in. You've got all of these pockets to slide your different, I don't know, stickers, and see all your stickers in there, or if I would fold it correctly. And then you can take your magnetic charm and put the magnet piece back here and the decorative piece up here. Is that correct? Yes. Okay, so then you've got your little magnetic deco on there. And then if you got the paper pack, you can trim this down to size, and after you print out your inserts, you can use this as a cover to try and protect like the paper depending on what kind of paper you use. There is an insert that was included in the kit digitals you can print and use for that, so that'd be really cute. And then yeah, now you have your own little planner set up specific to this kit. Like, how adorable is that? And how could I forget? Obviously, you're gonna wanna have your VB pin in there. So just like stretch this little piece out a little and tuck it right in, slides right in. Now you are prepared for your Valentine's Day setup. There we go, that's much better. Now I've got to go print the insert. I'm going to cut down some some dividers from the paper pack. I'm thinking these two for the two different inserts on the strings I have left. These are my favorite papers. They're so cute together. I love this setup. So now let's take a look at the digitals. These digitals are included with the VBKit pre-orders and can be used to make all kinds of coordinating projects and paper crafts. Be sure to check out the VB blog to find some fun ideas for those. We also get a printable insert designed by Paperish Prints this month. VB design team member Quinn has made a video on how to print, cut, and set it up with your planner cover. I'll link that, the video, the blog, and all the other VB links in the description below. Make sure that you're signed up for the newsletters and keep an eye out for emails about kit extras, kit pre-orders, pin releases, and more. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this month's VB kit is because I'd love to know. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.